Hello and welcome to E-News of IPR Department with me Manisha. Let's look at today's news bulletin. The Directorate of Fisheries observed the World Fisheries Day 2021 by organizing workshops and awareness programs in all 4 districts of the state. The main purpose behind this day is to highlight the importance of sustainable stocks of fisheries in the world. It also focuses on other related factors such as the necessity of healthy and balanced water ecosystem and surroundings. World Fisheries Day marks a significant day for the fisherfolk communities. A program was organized at Gangtok in the East District, at Upper Sri Badam in West District, at Namche in South District and at Ramthang in North District. Sri N. Jaswant, Directorate of Fisheries, attended the program held at Gangtok by the East District. Fish farmers and fishermen of the respective district attended the program where importance on conservation of riverine fisheries resource was highlighted by the departmental officials. The participants were also made aware about the newly recognized state fish of Sikkim, commonly known as chocolate mahseer and locally known as katle, and its importance in the state's ecosystem. The Directorate of Fisheries called for joint support of the department and the community to curb illegal fishing. The participants were made aware of the various schemes like Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana and the recently launched Mukhyamantri Matsya Utpadan Yojana by the Chief Minister of Sikkim, Sri Prem Singh Tamang, on 20th October 2021. They were also made aware of the benefits that can be availed under these schemes. Certificate of appreciation was distributed to the fisheries entrepreneurs for their exceptional work. Recently, with the focused attention of the state government towards the fisheries sector, the Directorate of functioning with new vigor and energy. The domestic fish production of the state, which was negligible in the past, has increased to 465 MT during this year 2020-21. Thereby increasing the per capita fish consumption to 1.17 kg. With the advent of various central and state government schemes, the Directorate will be targeting to increase the per capita fish consumption up to the national average of 10 kg in the times to come. Yesterday, the Minister for Education, Sri Kunga Nima Lepcha, attended the Northeast Education Ministers meeting in Guwahati, which was chaired by the Union Minister for Education, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. The meeting was attended by the education ministers of all the northeastern states in the presence of the Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Himanta Biswa Sarma. During the conference of the Northeastern Education Ministers, the Minister Sri K.N. Lepcha mentioned about the achievements of the government of Sikkim in the education sector. He also raised current issues related to the central support in education sector and requested the central government to sanction more supports towards Samagra Shiksha, school education, RUSA and higher education sectors. While speaking during the conference, the minister highlighted upon the initiatives of the Sikkim like launching of Nipun Sikkim, the Sikkim chapter of Nipun Bharat to achieve foundational literacy and numeracy at primary level from nursery to class 3 in the age group of 3 to 9 years. He also mentioned about the progress made by Sikkim towards implementing the National Education Policy 2020. During the meeting, the Union Minister Sri Dharmendra Pradhan congratulated Sikkim for having performed much better in different verticals of the department, which are much higher in the northeast, and also some of them are much better than the national average. In the Northeastern Educational Conclave, the Additional Chief Secretary C.G.P. Upadhyaya also participated in the session of Higher Education, and the State Project Director Samagra Shiksha and Director Elementary Education Sri Bhim Tatal participated in the discussion for school education and implementation of the NEP 2020. The 7th Himalayan Open Badminton Championship 2021 concluded yesterday. The 4-day-long championship was organized by the Badminton Association of Namche at Namche Gymnasium Hall. Concluding event saw Minister Forest Department Mr. Karma Lode as the chief guest. Chief Minister's spouse Ms. Krishna Rai was the special guest present. Amongst others were Political Secretary to Chief Minister Mr. Jacob Khaling, accompanied by advisors, chairmen, members of BAN, tournament officials, players and coaches. The objective of this championship is to provide a platform for budding as well as seasoned badminton players to nurture their talent whilst also giving the players and other associates an opportunity to showcase their skills. Approximately 400 participants of various badminton associations belonging to host states and places, namely that of Darjeeling, Kalimpong and Kurseong, took part in the championship. On the occasion of International Children's Day and as the closing program of the Child Rights Week under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the formation of district-level Children's Parliament was organized on 20th of November at DAC Hall, Mangan by the District Child Protection Unit North under Child Protection Scheme Women and Child Development Department. The Child Rights Week was observed through various activities like Bal Sabhas, Walkathon for Child Rights, street plays, role plays and door-to-door campaign held at various GPUs of the district to sensitize the public and empower the children of the district by making them aware of the various child-related legislations and schemes. Likewise, the District Child Protection Unit West under Child Protection Scheme Women and Child Development Department also organized a workshop on Child Mental Health, Juvenile Justice Act 2015, cybercrime and child trafficking as a part of concluding program on Child Rights Week under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at the Community Center, Gilsing. The event also witnessed a skit on child labor performed by Atish Dipankar Boys Home Chakhung, followed by a felicitation program and certificate and prize distribution to all the participants. On the occasion of International Children's Day, the program was also organized by the District Child Protection Unit South at SIRD Karfektar, attended by Jilla Adaksha with other senior officials. The objective of the workshop was to give an advocacy platform for the children to promote their rights to participate and get involved in the decision concerning their issues. The program also focused on educate the public on issues including the digital divide that is affecting quality education for all youth, mental health and discrimination in our societies. Mock drill was organized at Yang Bazaar on 19th November by District Disaster Management Authority South in collaboration with 2BN National Disaster Response Force. Various stakeholders had participated along with HODs of various departments, school students and the local janitors. During the program, awareness on different activities of MFR like methods of controlled bleeding, CPR was demonstrated to all, followed by exhibition of CSSR equipments. Mock drill on various rescue operations were performed for the awareness of general public during times of disaster. The exercise proved to be a knowledgeable experience for all the public, students and stakeholders. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News of IPR Department. Thank you.